All right, future nurses, it's time to put on your detective hat. Assessing. What is it really? It's like solving a mystery. You're gathering clues, you're making connections, and you're uncovering the full story of your patient's health. Let's break it down. First, you want to begin by prepping yourself. This is where you start to dig in. You're going to collect the facts because every detail matters. You're going to spot the clues because this is where you're going to ask yourself, what's really going on here? Once you've done this, then you're going to go and double check your findings because, like we mentioned earlier, accuracy is key. You're going to connect the dots in which you are going to find patterns and make sense of it all. This is where you're going to make it make sense, okay? After you've done this, now you're going to share your story. In sharing your story, we mean by you're going to record and report like a pro. Once you've done all these steps, you will be an assessment expert in no time. Thank you so much for watching this video on nursing assessment. Listen, your dedication to learning is what makes the nursing profession so impactful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow classmates, other nursing students, and subscribe for more valuable content to support your journey. Together, let's keep growing and making a difference in patient care.